Will the WallStreetBets Reddit group win their fight against hedge funds' efforts to decimate ailing businesses? This subreddit group's united move has inspired more new retail traders to enter the stock trading marketplace than ever before. Note that this video is for entertainment only. The WallStreetBets have been battling brokerages that have limited their trading of 12 companies, including the more publicized GameStop, AMC Theaters, American Airlines, Blackberry, Koss, and Nokia. On Tuesday, February 2nd, Saveri Law Firm filed an antitrust class action lawsuit on behalf of retail investors against 35 defendants, including Robinhood, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Melvin Capital, Citadel, Sequoia Capital, and others. The plaintiffs claim they are being injured by a conspiracy among the defendants to block them from buying stocks. Plaintiffs call this a conspiracy to shield hedge funds, venture capitalists, and institutional investors from massive losses they could incur from their extreme short-selling strategy. WallStreetBets members pinpointed securities that had short positions, which were over-leveraged as much as 140%. Then this subreddit group made big news purchasing long positions in these companies, driving stock prices upward, resulting in huge losses for hedge funds. Many short sellers were caught in a short squeeze, forced to exit their short positions and mitigate losses. On January 28th, many brokerages abruptly restricted retail investors from buying long positions while only permitting them to sell their existing shares. Some brokerages also blocked users from viewing some or all of these securities and canceling queued overnight orders to purchase stock the next morning. This coordinated blocking of retail traders led to a big sell-off and decline in share prices. While retail investors continued to be prohibited from buying these securities at the reduced price, institutional investors were permitted to do so and close their short positions. Joseph Saveri, counsel for the plaintiff retail investors, was quoted as stating, "It is unlikely that such a widespread ban among brokerages could have been achievable without a concerted effort in violation of antitrust laws." GameStop Corp, well-publicized target of the Reddit forum, slumped 30% on Monday and another 60% on Tuesday as WallStreetBets urged members to hang on. The video game retailer had surged more than 1,500% in January as a result of this group's coordinated move. These day traders inflicted multi-billion-dollar losses on hedge funds with larger short positions, particularly on hedge fund Melvin Capital. Short interest in GameStop fell to a little more than an estimated 50% of its float, down from 140% in January. WallStreetBets has declared victory over hedge fund Melvin Capital, which CNBC described as closing out their position in GameStop after a huge loss. WallStreetBets focuses on trading risky options that Robinhood revolutionized by making trading options easier to accomplish and less expensive. Most established brokerages make qualifying for options trading tough, but with Robinhood, answering just a few simple questions gets you approved. WallStreetBets has their own unique language, including diamond hands, which instructs members to keep their hands off and hold until the ultimate goal is reached. YOLO is a term used when they go all in with their life savings. On Monday, this group's members drove moves with AMC, the movie theater chain which had been trounced by COVID-related closure. In a Reddit-fueled rally, WallStreetBets then also turned their focus to silver. AMC rose last week from $4 to $10 per share and then on Tuesday dropped 41%. And Blackberry, ticker BB, had added 10% as brokerages opened up trading on this stock, fell 21% on February 2nd. The silver market had surged when a post appeared on Reddit's WallStreetBets forum encouraging traders to pile into BlackRock Inc.'s iShares Silver Trust. Then on Monday, silver was up another 7%, biggest surge in 11 years. SLV then sliding back 8% on Tuesday. On Reddit, Facebook, and Twitter, a group of people launched Nokia buying campaigns in order to increase the price of shares along with call options. This gives the buyers the right to buy the stock at a set price until a certain date, and short sellers, investors who borrow stock with a bet that the price will fall, have been buying the shares back in order to reduce more loss. Plus, institutional investors are also buying shares to hedge against call options being bought. And this is part of a broader initiative by a group of activists who've been aiming to send a message to short seller hedge funds. Robinhood had temporarily restricted the trading of Nokia shares, which also further fueled the desire of activist retail investors to drive the stock price up in retaliation against short seller hedge funds. Let's look at a few of these charts that this restricted trading could have negatively impacted. GameStop, AMC Theaters, Blackberry, and Koss. First, we're going to look at GameStop Corporation, ticker GME, and you can see them for the month of January. Things started moving around the 22nd, and you can see it making a pretty abrupt move up on the 25th, 26th, and 27th of January. This is when there were some problems with Robinhood and some of the other brokerages halting the trading. And you could see it had a big effect on the stock. And now it is really pulling back. So we'll have to wait and see what happens tomorrow on February 3rd. Now we're going to take a quick look at AMC Entertainment, AMC Theaters. In the daily view, you can see they started making some big moves around mid-January, mid to later January, around the 20th, 21st. Huge move on the 27th. And you see the red candles when there was disrupted trading by brokerages like Robinhood. Now we'll look at AMC in the 30-minute view, and you can see here again, quickly rising on the 27th, then a pullback when there were some problems with brokerages cutting off the trading, and now it's slowly drifting down at the end of the day on February 2nd. Now we're looking at Blackberry in the 30-minute view. It started a little bit earlier on January 14th. You can see the rise here when the WallStreetBets got involved, gradually moving upward with a big sharp move upward on the 24th, 25th. And then you can see issues here with trading being blocked by brokerages, and then it's sliding back down. Now we're looking at Blackberry, ticker BB, in a 30-minute time frame. And you can see here that on January 14th, it started rising when the WallStreetBets got their sights on this stock. And a little bit of pullbacks, but a pretty steady upward move. And then you can see where they had some problems with Robin and some of the other brokerages putting the brakes on trading the stock when it went red. And then again, a big move up when it opened up again, and again, more red, and it's sliding down right now. This is the end of the day on February 2nd. And looking at Blackberry in the daily view, you can see it zoomed out like this on the 12th. It started moving up mainly on the 14th of January. And then a pretty steady move up daily until the 28th, it started sliding back down. And that's, again, when brokerages caused all kinds of blocking of retail traders. Lastly, we're going to look at Koss Corp, ticker KOSS. This is a more recent target of the WallStreetBets. And you can see on the 26th, they really started chasing this one, and it went up steadily. It shows quite a bit of group power investing in this. And then again, as trading has been restricted, it pulling back quite a bit. Here we're looking at Koss Corporation in a 60-minute time view. Again, going back to it rising up to the 27th when WallStreetBets set their sight on this stock, pulling back some on the 27th. That's again when Robinhood and some of the other brokerages put some restrictions on buying this. And again, on the 28th, the same thing happened, a big pullback. And then some trading was unrestricted, moving up again, and now it's sliding back. Please give the video a like, share with others, and subscribe for more videos like this one.